Seeing a black screen on your Steam Deck, let's fix it step by step. First, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Then press it again to restart. This clears temporary glitches. If it stays black, try a hard reset. Hold the power button plus the volume down button together. This should boot into the BIOS menu. From here, select Continue Boot to restart normally. Still no display? Connect your Steam Deck to a charger and let it sit for at least 15 minutes, then try powering it back on. A drained battery can also cause a black screen. Next, plug it into an external monitor with USB-C dock or cable. If the monitor shows video, your internal screen may be the issue. Finally, if nothing works, boot into the recovery mode by holding volume down while pressing power, then reinstall SteamOS from a recovery image. And there you go. With these steps, you should be able to fix the Steam Deck black screen issue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.